Hi, my name is Justin Pate from the Wrap Institute. And if you're thinking about updating your office or your home with a traditional renovation, well, I'm here to give you 4 reasons to do it with what we're calling a wrap rejuvenation with interior wrap film, in this case from CoverStyle. The first reason is time. The second is money, and they always go hand in hand. The third is the environment, and the fourth one is actually the funnest one, the design freedom. We begin by talking about the first 2 reasons, time and money. This entire flat in Amsterdam was transformed in just 7 days using one installer, a few boxes of interior wrap film, and some tools. It went from something that looked like this, a plain white kitchen, a plain white bathroom, old tulip wallpaper, standard gloss cabinets, a used dining room table, and curtains permanently drawn on the window, to something that looks like this. A stunning kitchen, an eating area that has style and is vibrant, a living room area that is warm and cozy, a super fun, colorful bathroom, and a window that has an amazing combination of design, privacy, and light. If this transformation was done by a traditional renovation, this would have taken weeks and weeks. It would have also involved a whole team of workers, lots of noise, dust, and frustration. Now, continuing with time and money, for traditional renovation, choosing the right paint, and finding new appliances and furniture, especially ones in gold brushed metallic and crocodile, involves countless hours driving from shop to shop and searching online. Plus, buying these items are true big-ticket purchases, which can quickly skyrocket costs. With a wrap rejuvenation, it's as simple as getting some inspiration online and then flipping through a swatch book like this one from CoverStyle to find the right colors and finishes you want. And now we move on to reason number 3 of why you should choose a wrap rejuvenation as opposed to a standard renovation, and that is the environment, something near and dear to my heart. So what you have to consider is the only thing, and I'm not joking here, the only thing that got thrown out from the original flat was this plank here from the kitchen. That's it. So that means the landfill wasn't getting loaded up with appliances and old tiles and plaster. This was it. So small footprint there, which is a big win for the environment. And the only things that were brought into the flat were, of course, the interior wrapping film and some tools. Not a ton of new appliances that had to be manufactured and shipped from a faraway country. No new tiles, no new plaster, no nothing. So just a few boxes, just a few tools. And what you have to consider is these boxes can get recycled. So the footprint, both in and out, for wrap rejuvenation is super tiny, and that's a huge win for the environment. And now we get to option number 4, which, as I said earlier, is the funnest part of wrap rejuvenation, is the design freedom. Look at all the macro and micro design touches in this flat in Amsterdam. The combination of gold brush metallic, matte pink, and black gloss metallic interior wrapping films from CoverStyle blend perfectly together. And the details. The knobs on the stove match the black metallic gloss on the countertop. The water kettle was wrapped pink to match the kitchen wall, and the trash can wrapped brushed gold metallic to match the cabinets. The main wall in the living room was wrapped in a bright wood, and that same interior wrap film was used to wrap the mirror around the fireplace, the bench in the eating area, and the shelves in the cabinets for great design continuity. And the fireplace, cabinets, and dining room table all wrapped in a beautiful white crocodile interior film. And for some super fun color and excitement, check out that front door with that amazing glitter that greets each guest. This kind of overall design and details are a breeze when doing it with a wrap rejuvenation. So as you can see, choosing a wrap rejuvenation as opposed to a renovation is definitely the way to go for your office or home. Huge savings in terms of time and money. It's great for the environment, and the design freedom is absolutely endless. So I highly recommend checking out all the videos the Wrap Institute made for CoverStyle. They're streaming on YouTube. They're also on coverstyle.com. And if you want to go super deep and learn how to do it yourself, get a membership at the Wrap Institute, and you can also take a hands-on workshop at CoverStyle headquarters in Luxembourg. So with that, I'm Justin Pate from the Wrap Institute. Happy wrapping.